Hey, what's up, KM fans? Tawna McCoy here, bringing you the Simple Supplements series, where we talk about all of our awesome supplements in a simple way. And today's infamous supplement is Outlive 100. So what is Outlive 100? It is a premium superfoods and greens blend. It's power-packed with gold standard nutrient-dense ingredients, including 26 organic fruits, veggies, herbs, and phytonutrients to deliver vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and adaptogens in 4 blends. We're talking probiotics to support digestion and gut health, vitamins to support your immune system, minerals, antioxidants, and super nutrients to boost your vitality, help you manage stress, and really just help you balance everyday nutrition. So how do I take Outlive 100? I like to mix 1 scoop of Outlive in about 10 ounces of a glass of water first thing in the morning to kickstart my day. So why would I choose Outlive 100 versus others? First of all, it is really hard to get enough fruits and veggies that you need, even if you're super disciplined and you eat really clean. This is exactly why superfoods blends have become so popular. The problem is that not all superfood blends are good. This is because they're using low quality, non-organic ingredients that are not giving you the proprietary blends that you need. So you just don't really know what's in them. It's different with this formula. You know exactly what you're getting in here. We've got a clear, transparent label on the back with a list of all of our organic ingredients from top to bottom. It has greens and grasses like wheatgrass, barley grass, kale, broccoli, spinach, spirulina, and chlorella. Loaded with superfoods blends like acai, blueberry, goji, beetroot, and pomegranate. It has a cleanse blend that delivers organic essentials like apple cider vinegar, cranberry, turmeric, lemon, ginger, and cinnamon. It even has organic ashwagandha, say that 3 times, ashwagandha, a really powerful adaptogen that helps you manage stress. Honestly guys, it's just freaking amazing. Outlive 100 is going to truly set the standard for superfoods. Okay, so everybody's main question is, what does Outlive 100 taste like? And I get it. Most superfoods and greens blends that I've ever tasted are really terrible. Honestly, you have to hold your nose to swallow it down. Again, this is because of low quality ingredients. With Outlive 100, it tastes so good, guys. We have 2 awesome flavors. We have berry and apple cinnamon, and they just taste super clean. It's really refreshing. It's not a very bitter greens taste like you're used to doing. I promise you are going to love it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope that this was super simple and super helpful for you. Remember, you can buy all of our awesome supplements on KAGEDMUSCLE.com. I will see you next time, and don't you forget to stay hydrated.